Are you feeling frustrated at the end of each day because there are so many things still to be done? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 key habits you can implement in your life to have a more productive day. Key habit number 1, focus on the task at hand and avoid or minimize distractions. For example, when you are working on a task, just have your mind be focused on that task that you are doing. Don't look at social media, for example, or don't try to start other tasks or do what people call multitasking. Because when you are focused, you are more effective and you get more things done and you are more detail oriented. Key habit number 2, have time management strategies. And I'm going to give an example of one. Plan your day by using, for example, an Outlook calendar. That's what I use. And I block a specific amount of time for each specific task I have to complete. This way I can be focused, as I mentioned, the first key habit. Now I have a specific amount of time and I'm not being distracted, and I minimize time wasters like checking other things that are not related to the task at hand, because I know I have only X amount of time to complete a particular task. So that makes me more efficient. Key habit number 3, engage in self-care strategies throughout the day. You may have a very hectic schedule, a very busy day, very stressful environment at work. So it's important that you take care of your mental health, of your emotions. So taking short breaks during the day, it helps you to deal with stress, to relax, to calm down, and it's a good practice. Also, a tip here is avoid eating your lunch at your desk. It's important that you protect your lunchtime, that you take a real break that's going to be good for your mind, and when you come back to work, you are more focused, you are more relaxed. Key habit number 4, declutter your workspace. And if you work using computers, declutter your computer files. Because when you have a workspace that is clean and organized, it increases your sense of self-confidence and self-efficacy, meaning you feel more confident that you can complete the task at hand. When your workplace is organized, you don't waste time looking for materials, looking for resources, or looking for files in the computer. And so go ahead, look at your workspace and do a cleanup. Key habit number 5, look at your to-do list and check all the items that you accomplished that day and celebrate. It's important. Sometimes we may have a tendency to look at what was left undone, but no, what we want to do is to celebrate what we were able to accomplish. And you reward yourself. It may be you go get a cup of tea or get some chocolate, or you go watch your favorite show and you reward yourself, because what that does, it reinforces the behaviors that you implemented throughout the day, and you celebrate because you are more productive now. I'll see you in the next video. Have a productive day.